In this video, we'll be showing you how to tune an electric guitar. We'll be using the Fender Tune app. This is a free-to-download app that is a great resource for musicians. We're going to click on the Auto Tuner, and here, as you can see, it lays out all of the different notes that you're going to want your strings set to. Clicking in the top right-hand corner, we can make sure that we're selected on the electric guitar and that we have it set to standard tuning. Once those settings are set, then you are ready to begin. You will want to tune the top string to E, the second string to A, the third string will be set to D, the fourth string tuned to G, the fifth string tuned to B, and finally the last string tuned to E. Starting with the top string, we want it tuned to E. Now we're going to continuously strum on the string so that it gives us a consistent reading in the app. And as you can see, the little circle will begin to move closer and closer to that exact note, and it will indicate whether you need to tune up or tune down on your guitar. Just simply repeat this step for all of the strings. And that's how you tune an electric guitar. Thanks for watching.